At least in Madhurarati, Mahaprabhu was emphasizing this. But by his kripa, if you have an umbrella, you have a big umbrella, like you have these beach umbrellas. You ever see in Australia, they have a big, big umbrella, whole family's in the shade. It's a big umbrella, big thing that put in the ground. You see, no? Beach umbrella, they call it. So Mahaprabhu is like an umbrella, like a chata. So under that chata, there may be so many people under that chata. There may be a Western person, Indian person, white skin, brown skin, black skin, all different color hair, all under the umbrella of Gauranga Mahaprabhu Kripa. Namo Mahavananyaya, Krishna Prema Pradayate, Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya, Nanda Gaura Triste Namaha. There's one Mahaprabhu, with so many Chinese people and Indian people, and everybody under that Kripa chata. So that, because he's saying, Chari Bhakti Ras, Tribhuvane Nachaimu. I will make the three worlds dance with the four rasas. So, anyone can come under that umbrella, and all these 10 people are standing under one umbrella, and the rain is, no one's getting wet, but they're keeping dry. So the mercy is like Lord Chaitanya, it can fall, it can go anywhere, and whatever Krishna wants from that jiva, that will manifest in the form of stairati, as a sakha, as a friend of Krishna, as a mother and father of Krishna, in that bhav, vatsalya bhav, or his wife in Dwarka, like a wife. He has 16,000 wives, he has 16 million wives, he has 16 billion wives. There's no shortage, no limit.